Hey there, want to lose weight in just 7 days without starving or setting foot in a gym? Let's do it the smart, sustainable way, backed by science. Your 7-day guide to losing weight, the healthy way goal. Lose around 0.5 to 1 kilogram, that's 1 to 2 pounds, in a week safely. No starving, no gym, just simple habits that actually work. Step 1. Know your calorie needs. First things first, don't guess. Use a free online TDEE calculator to find out how many calories you need. Then, subtract just 300 to 500 calories a day. That's it. Science says a 500-calorie deficit per day leads to around half a kilo of fat loss in a week. Why it matters: you avoid overeating and undereating. Step 2. Eat more protein and fiber. This is your secret weapon. Protein and fiber fill you up, reduce cravings, and even burn more calories just by digesting them. Add things like eggs, lentils, tofu, yogurt, oats, chia seeds, and veggies. Bonus: protein can boost your metabolism by up to 30%. Step 3. Ditch the liquid calories soda, juice, fancy lattes. They're sneaky. Lots of calories, no fullness. Swap them out for water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Drink half a liter of water before meals. This can reduce how much you eat by 13%. Step 4. Move more without working out. No gym? No problem. Just move more throughout your day. It's called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Try walking after meals, cleaning, standing while working, using stairs, even dancing around your room. These small movements can burn up to 800 calories a day. Step 5. Try intermittent fasting. It's simple. Eat during an 8-hour window, fast for 16 hours. Example: eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., and that's it. No snacks, just 2 to 3 full meals. IF helps your body tap into fat and balances hormones like insulin and norepinephrine. Step 6. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Yup, sleep is that important. Less sleep equals more cravings, more belly fat, and less willpower. Wind down before bed, avoid screens, and keep your room cool and dark. Research shows that just 1 week of bad sleep can cut your fat loss in half, even if you're eating well. Step 7. Eat mindfully. No phones, no rush, just you and your food. Eat slowly. Chew more. Stop when you're about 80% full. You'll naturally eat less, up to 300 fewer calories per day, without even noticing. Quick recap of benefits. Habit: what you gain. Calorie targeting: eat smart, not less. Protein and fiber. Full longer, burn more. No liquid calories. Easy win: more daily movement. Burn more without workouts. Intermittent fasting. Burn fat and simplify meals. Quality sleep. Less cravings, better fat burn. Mindful eating: portion control made natural. Bonus tips. Eat real, whole foods. Skip the processed stuff. Walk at least 7,000 to 10,000 steps a day. Don't skip meals, just make them smarter.